stars are born from the interstellar material in the space. They evolve for millions or billions of years and eventually die. I'm Shweta from Astronera and welcome to our course, The Star Stuff. In this course, we will learn how the stars are born, how they evolve, and what happens when they die. Being the closest star to our Earth, the Sun has helped us learn a lot of things about the stars. The energy of the Sun comes from the nuclear fusion of hydrogen and helium, and it's not infinite in the Sun's core. It won't last for long, as it's getting exhausted and eventually the Sun is going to run out of it. The stars consume the material which they are made of. That's why they cannot be permanent or shine forever. So if the stars have an end, they also must have a beginning, right? The humankind has lived on the earth since about 200,000 years, and during this time we have not observed any drastic change in the sun. Well, clearly an astronomer cannot observe one star from its birth until its death because the star's lifespan is too long. Then how is it possible that in the past century we discovered so much about the life cycle of the stars? Luckily, in the observable universe, millions of stars exist which are on the different stages of their life cycles. By observing several stars, we can analyze and study how they must have evolved. Also, the stars are made of simple substances like hydrogen and helium, which are found almost exclusively in the form of gases. To understand the behavior of gas is comparatively simple than understanding the behavior of solid and the liquid material. By our understanding, we can build theoretical models of the interiors of the stars. So how are the stars born? How do we classify them? How do they evolve? How long do they live and when do they die? We are going to find the answers to all these questions in our course. So shall we begin?